welcome to this week's video, which is all about how I'm packing everything in carry-on for my trip this weekend with Stella and Dot to Mexico Glam Getaway. I'm so excited to share everything about this amazing getaway with you guys over the next couple of days, including how I'm packing everything. I'm Charlotte, your Stella and Dot stylist, and I'm so glad you're taking the time to watch this video. I have everything ready to go ahead and pack and wanted to show you how I pack everything in just carry-on bags. I really like to avoid checking my luggage. I like keeping everything within my eyesight, and also avoiding having to pick things up at baggage claim once I get to my destination. Also avoiding those checked baggage fees. So I've really streamlined the process, and this trip is actually going to be a little bit of a test and a little bit of a battle of the bags. So if you've been following along for a while, if you've been reading my blog, charlottepotiger.com, you'll know that I absolutely love this Crush It carry-on bag as the ultimate carry-on bag when you're traveling. It has so many great features that are just absolutely perfect to use this as your personal item, so you can use your roller luggage for your actual carry-on bag that goes in the compartment overhead, and then this is your personal item that goes under the seat. It fits absolutely perfectly under that seat. It has great functional pockets on the exterior that are perfect for when you're breezing through the security line, so you don't lose your ID or anything like that. And then it also has this really handy sleeve on the side, so you can slip it over the handlebar of your luggage so that you don't have any mishaps of your bag falling over while you're in the airport. It's also incredibly lightweight, which is so nice when you're loading everything up, and it's just absolutely gorgeous too. So I love to be able to travel in something that is both functional and fashionable, and this definitely checks all the boxes there. But this weekend, I'm actually going to be testing out our brand new Lady Boss travel bag. If you've been chatting with me in our group on Facebook, Styled by Charlotte Insiders, then you know we've been chatting about this bag and how I'm going to use it as my personal item. At first, I was a little bit concerned it might be a little bit too big to go under the seat in front of you, but after seeing a couple of my stylist friends using it with no problems, I'm going to give it a whirl. And the main reason why is because I'm really excited to use the super versatile garment bag functionality of it. So you can see the bag here. The cool thing about it is that it lays all the way flat, which is also great for when you're storing it. If you're limited on storage space, this bag's great. Folds completely flat, so it'd be perfect to put like on top of your closet where your sweaters and stuff go, or underneath your bed or something like that. So really nice for those with limited space. I have these dresses that I'm bringing that I got from Rent the Runway. And so this is going to be absolutely perfect with this bag because it folds flat as a garment bag. It has these snaps here, and on side note, how cute is this lining? Like, it is just so adorable with all these fun tigers. So you can open this up for the extension, unzip this. It has these great snaps, and there's actually a little hook right here so that you can secure the hangers. So you slip the hangers through that, and then lay everything flat. Even with that extended length, this maxi dress is still a little bit too long, so I'll just fold over the extra fabric on the bottom so that it will fit. And then tuck everything in here. All right, so this is super easy. And then zip it all up. So I've actually, in all my time of packing and just carry-ons, I've never had any type of garment bag. So it's nice to be able to keep these things more wrinkle-free. I'm still going to be bringing my travel steamer, more on that soon. I can't travel without it because I still want to make sure everything's nice and fresh. But normally I roll everything up in packing cubes, which I'm still going to do for other things. I'll show you those. But for the dresses, it's really nice to just eliminate some of the steaming that I would need to do to make them presentable after after traveling with them rolled up. So that's that. Then these side sections are shoe pockets. So one thing that I do that really makes traveling light possible is I really streamline what shoes that I'm packing. Luckily, this is a resort vacation, so I can just bring a bunch of sandals. I'm gonna wear my sneakers in the airport, and then I've picked just a couple of pairs of shoes to bring, a couple of sandals. I'm actually going to wear some leggings and a short sleeve shirt with a pullover over top of it while I'm traveling in the airport with the sneakers. But on top of my things in this duffel bag, I'm going to have a pair of shorts, and I'm also gonna have these adorable espadrilles ready to access when we land in Cancun so that I can slip into shorts and these fun shoes, because it's gonna be like in the 80s and I don't wanna be sweating on the way to the resort. So there's these shoe pockets on the side, so I can just tuck my shoes in here and put them like this. I'm gonna do the two sandals on one side. Actually, let's do it like this. Split up the sandals. Put the espadrilles over here. And then one more sandal in there. So, got all my shoes right there. That's easy. That's not gonna take up any space in my suitcase. And then the cool thing, so you're thinking, okay, you keep calling this a tote or a duffel or whatever, and it looks like a flat garment bag. The sides now actually zip up. And this whole thing is going to zip up into a bag. Oh, Cleo's here to help, and she's jumping on the strap here. So let me fold this back up, that extension of the garment bag. And then these sides zip up too. And then there's just a little like clasp thing that connects those two pieces together so that the zippers don't start to come apart. And there you have it. So that gives you all this space still here on the inside. Plenty of space to fill things up. And then it does have this crossbody strap to be able to carry it over your shoulder, as well as the handles like this. Really cute pockets on the front. It's the most adorable black camo. And this too has the strap to slide over your luggage. So far I'm a big fan. It is definitely going to be a major battle of the bags. But I do want to move on and show you a few tips and tricks for packing everything here in my away luggage. So like I said, I do the packing cube. So I have packed some of my things here in this packing cube. This is literally all of my underwear, pajamas. I have some leggings and like 2 just casual tanks that I can put in this. Let me turn you guys a little bit. That I can throw on if I want to like go walking one morning, or if there's like a fun yoga class we can take. All of that in the packing cubes. So I'll probably pack one more packing cube. I love using these. You can roll everything up. Like I said, that's all that stuff just in this really small area of space. And then what I like to do while the trip is happening is, after I wear things, start packing them back up in the cubes. I hate when you're having a really fun time on your trip and then all of a sudden when it's time to check out on the last day, you're like scrambling, having a really hard time figuring out how to put everything back in your suitcase. And I pack really strategically and try to use all the space really effectively, so it just doesn't work to try to throw it all back in haphazardly at the last minute. So these are really helpful. Another great hack, I love bringing this fun hat with me on vacation, and in order to make it more packable, these are my bathing suits. I'm gonna actually just like stuff one or, maybe both of these bathing suits inside, and then pack it like this and like pack things all around it so that the hat will keep its shape. It's gonna be in the roller bag so that it doesn't get smushed. And I've got love using our hang-on travel case. I haven't packed this yet, but this is for toiletries. I make it much more doable by either having some travel size items like this travel sized dry shampoo, or I just have some travel sized bottles that I purchased to be able to pack lighter with my toiletries. That makes a big impact on your the size of your luggage as well as the weight. And then if you guys know already, like I've streamlined my makeup routine so much with our Ever makeup. I really just have that one makeup palette, small little tubes of concealer for under eye, the really small foundation. Everything fits in this small bag. So what I do with the away suitcase is I love the way that it's designed. So this side has this like rectangle thing and then these straps. And what you do is you pack like all of your soft things like your travel cubes and all of that. You put that on this side, kind of put it in like a puzzle. And then you put this over top, close the straps, and then pull them really tight. So you really like pack that side super effectively and use like all of the space. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, and then on this side, I'm gonna put the things like my toiletry bag and my travel steamer. And I will fill this up as much as I possibly can, and then anything else goes inside of my personal item. I use our Stella Dot travel jewelry case to pack all of my jewelry. That's one area where for everything else I pretty much just pack one outfit for that event or that section of the day during the trip. I actually tried everything on yesterday to make sure like all the outfits looked good and I had the right undergarments and all of that in case I needed to have the time today to run out and grab anything. So I should be good to go. Just bring like one extra top. That doesn't take up a lot of space, so that's easy. And then you can really just pack up. I pack up this with as many accessories as I want because they don't take up a lot of space. So I love on these Stella Dot trips to pack some of my vintage Stella Dot pieces and sport those. And I'm actually going to be posting on social media, on Instagram and Facebook every day from the trip with 2 options for you guys to vote on for what I should wear that evening. So I can't wait to have you guys help me get styled for the next couple of days as well. So I use that. I use one of our poofs for all of my chargers. So my phone charger, my Fitbit charger, all of that, I just roll them up in here. That keeps everything in one spot, so it's organized and nice and compact. And then, so all of that's gonna go in here, and then I have some fun clutches to use for dinners and things while we're there. And then what I use for my wallet while going through the airport is this Crush It crossbody. This has been sold out for quite some time, but it's coming back in March. So if you have like a spring break coming up, you might wanna snag this. It's just the absolute perfect size for ID, for all of those important documents. Your phone can slip right in here in the back, and then it's just nice and small and can tuck inside of your personal item. Since you have to have those 2 items. So you can't have the roller bag, the personal item, and a purse too. You have to have something that's gonna be able to go inside of your personal item. They really will only let you have 2 things. Okay, so that's how I'm packing everything. I can't wait to report back and let you know how everything goes with the Lady Boss travel bag and how it stands up to the Crush It carry-on battle of the bags. It's gonna be a really fun weekend, and again, thank you so much to all of you for your support of my Stella Dot business. I would not be going on this vacation if it weren't for you. It means the world to me that you choose to shop and spend your hard-earned dollar with me, and I will never take that for granted. So thanks again. Thanks for tuning into this video. I'll catch you next time.